Hi, and welcome back to the second session on the bank feed integration with Enterpryze. I'm Sharon from Enterpryze, and in this session we will simply look at the value you get now from connecting your bank account within Enterpryze, where you can see your bank balance and your bank feed transactions. So let's get you started. So following on from connecting your bank account, we've already looked at where the bank account connection has been made here on the account tiles, and that your bank balance has also come through here. We've also mentioned in the previous session where the bank feed status shows as green to show that you are successfully connected to your bank institution. However, just to note, there is a second colour here, that if the bank feed changes to red, simply that confirms that the bank feed is no longer live and that you simply need, as you can see here from the message, to reauthenticate. So why would you need to reauthenticate? Well, as discussed in the first training session, the FCA, or the Financial Conduct Authority, insists that connection feeds are only valid for 90 days. Now, that may differ depending on your bank institution, so maybe less than 90 days, and that's for your protection and your data protection. So when this turns red, you simply click on the button here to reauthenticate, and you are connected back again to your live feed. The other reason could be that you've changed your bank account login, so your online banking account credentials. If they change with your banking institution, you've got to remember that you've already used those to connect the bank feed within Enterpryze. So it's important to be aware, again, it's for extra security for you, that you re-authenticate and connect your bank account. So let's take a look at the dashboard and see the value that that brings now that you've connected up with your bank account. So we can see here on the bank transactions feed, it simply tells us the last time that transactions were received through your bank. So we can see the date and the time. We can also see, as we look down, the type of transactions, whether they're incoming or outgoing payments, and also the bank account number. And one thing to note here, you can see that this particular payment that's come in is in brackets with pending. So what we've been able to do with your bank feed integration, and the very same would happen when you look at your bank account online. When you go into your bank account online, you can identify transactions, payments and receipts that have gone through and been confirmed by the bank, but there'll always be something that's pending. And it's relevant, because it's relevant to the bank balance, it's important to show the pending transaction. But what you will notice is that we can see the figure, we know it has affected the balance, but unlike all the other transactions, we don't actually get to reconcile it just yet. But no doubt, like all pending transactions, within a 24-hour period, exactly what happens with your bank account online, they will become a confirmed transaction. So this will appear without the pending brackets against it. Again, it could be within 24 hours, or if it's a check, it could be longer until that's gone through your bank account. So again, just looking here, that if you have multiple bank accounts connected to your bank feed, using the filter option here, you can simply click on filter, where you can filter by the transaction type or select the bank account relevant to you. So if I select the one that we've connected up, we will only see those bank feed transactions that have come through today. More importantly, here in the middle of the screen, I can also see against all the bank accounts that have been connected, my system balance, which is my GL account balance, and my bank balance, which is my bank feed balance. I can then see it broken down for each system or each bank GL account within Enterpryze. So this is the one that we have linked to our connection here. So we can see the GL account balance within Enterpryze and the bank feed, corresponding bank feed balance. So let's check out what you can do next with regards to the bank reconciliation. So check out the next video on how to do your bank reconciliation from your bank feed. So thank you for watching, and if you require any further help, check out help.enterpryze.com or reach out to any of our support representatives here on the support chat. Thank you for watching.